Hey guys, good afternoon. It's Brandon again, Auto Advantage. Today we have a 2013 Hyundai Accent, 1.6 liter, 38 miles per gallon on the highway, 30 around town. But the shocking thing is the mileage. As I mentioned, this is a 2013. It only has 17,000 original miles. Let's take a look, shall we? As you'll be able to see, the vehicle does have some oxidized paint issues on the door handles, on the roof, and on the hood. And that's why it's priced the way that it is. Also on the mirror. But if you want a reliable car with ridiculously low miles, this is the one. 2013, 1.6 liter engine, Hyundai Accent with 17,000 original miles. Perfect for a first car. Perfect for a commuter car. As you can see, it does have some oxidized paint, and that's why the price is considerably lower than what the market value is on this vehicle. It does have power locks and power windows. As you can see, let's unlock it. It also has power mirrors. Let's take a look. Back seats clean as a whistle. Let's pop the trunk for you. Right there, easy access. Here we go. Ample trunk space, as you can see. Has mats. Has a plastic mat in the rear. Passenger side back. Power window switch. Driver's side. And as you can see, the gas mileage, 37 highway, 28 around town. Initially sold for about $15,500. It is a GLS model, and it does have safety features. Integrated airbags into the seats, airbags in the front. Let's take a walk around. Let me show you the stereo now. AC cranks, definitely need that in California. Here we go. Nice and cold. There's the stereo. It has AM, FM, aux, CD, XM radio. Has USB, aux down here. Also this to plug in your charger. All in all, very nice car. 17,000 original miles right there. 17,328 miles. It's ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. This we call in the car business a unicorn because you never see them. Just like you never see unicorns. So again, this is Brandon, Auto Advantage, 760-280-7648. Call, text, stop by 1150 West Mission Avenue in Escondido, 92025. We have financing, we take trades. Every car that we sell gets a complimentary warranty. Again, Brandon, Auto Advantage, 760-280-7648. I look forward to helping you. Thanks.